Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to IoT Solution. In this video, I will try to focus on IoT-based remote access control system. So let's discuss. We noticed that lock and key management systems in certain organization is a very important part, which play a critical role for the organization. Traditional hardware lock key makes lots of problem, which decreases work efficiency and increases risks of our valuable assets. We often notice that the theft and conspiracy cases happen, which we can reduce using innovative technology. In order to enhance work efficiency and reduce the risks of our valuable assets, we are introducing a IoT-based lock key management systems, which may apply in many of our lives. If you feel that it can help you, then you can watch till end. Let's discuss what are the problems we face in our life with this traditional keys. In telecom industry, the hundreds of thousands of BTS sites, the lock and key management is really very difficult. By using this innovative technology, we can increase the efficiency of our daily work life. The traditional physical key can be made by the local key repairman, and they can be still our valuable assets. The during transportation of cash assets by different organizations, the hijacker can hijack the cash box along with the key from the key user, and they can very easily open the cash box. But by using this innovative technology, it will be very hard for them to open the box until we can open from the remote control systems. The traditional key sometimes can be opened by some expert people and they can steal our valuable assets. The physical key during the transportation of cash assets, we record additional security man, the gunman, to enhance the safety and security. We can reduce this requirement by using the IoT-based innovative technology. Sometimes the physical key can be broken because of the quality of the keys and locks or because of the old keys and locks or some other reasons. So we can improve this situation by using this technology. For hundreds of thousands of BTS sites, the hundreds of thousands of key management is really tough. Sometimes we are not able to choose the right key. Sometimes we choose the wrong key, and after going to the sites, we can open the door. So we return back, or we can broke the interlock systems. This is this way the systems can reduce the work efficiency. So these are the six identified problems with the traditional case that we can reduce by using the innovative technology. So to solve all of these problems, we are introducing IoT solution. The IoT solution, this is the apps that we have developed for the systems. So how this app will works? This app is the solution provider of our problem. It is not the app to play with. It is the app that makes sense in our life. How it works? This is the app from where we will control the remote lock and key system. Along with these lock systems, we will attach the special device, the IoT device. And this IoT device will control this lock. The device will communicate with these apps from the remote sites. So the IoT technology, IoT protocol, MQTT protocol. And we will ensure the security of the communication by using Gmail server service and the MQTT protocol service. There will be a database attached with these apps that records all the transactions. Now, the future lifestyle of the planet, how it will help us in our security system. No physical key hassles, reduce theft case, reduce lost case, reduce conspiracy case, reduce hardware fault, increase efficiency, and make life easy. It is secured, reliable, proven, modern, smart, faster, easy to use, comfortable, and can control anytime from anywhere in the world. So this is the protocol and the technology of IoT systems, the MQTT protocol. It works based on PubSub architecture. It is faster than HTTP systems. So our security solution based on this system, how it will work. This is the things that we want to control from here, from the remote monitoring and controlling station. By using their desktop, Android, iOS, Windows, Linux, any systems we can use. If we want to open this lock from here, we have to send a request for OTP. And once this device installed here, receive the request, then he will generate the OTP. And OTP will be sent through the SMS or the email service to this remote station control manager. The manager will resend back this received OTP to the IoT device installed here. Device will then check and match the send OTP and the receive OTP. If it is same, then it will automatically open, and then you will start working inside the room. And database systems will be attached that record all the transactions. So this is the systems, IoT systems that will help us to improve our work efficiency. We can use these systems in our home security, the corporate security, electrical items, environmental maintenance systems. See what other things we can do. We can control the water pump, the air conditions, fans, lights from anywhere in the world. We can monitor the temperature, humidity, fire alarm, gas alarm from anywhere, anytime. And we can control this remote access control. So this is the other things that we can do using the same IoT system. So this is the apps, the front page. You put your email address and password, then the main page will open. And just put the device ID and the action that you want. If you want to request for OTP, then put the OTP here. If you want to open, then send this OTP. The system will works and it will open the door. The uses of our security systems. The telecom BTS sites key management, Bikash cash transportation, bank lockers, bank ATM booth, home, office, drawer, almirah, jewelry shop, house door lock, library, warehouse, factory, and many other places we can use this. We can also monitor and control environmental parameters in office, factory, home, and the apps will look like this. It will be a customized app as per your requirement. So this the temperature, this is humidity, gas, fire, smoke, and these are the appliances that we can control from anywhere, anytime in the world. So these are the things that we can manage by using the innovative technology. Thanks for watching.